How to recover Google Photos locked folder deleted photos. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back to yet another video, and in this video we're going to be finding out how you're going to recover Google Photos from your locked folder in the easiest way. So basically, to allow yourself to do this, what you are going to do is you're going to come over to your Google Photos, okay? We're going to go in Google Photos, and the locked folder basically does not follow the rules that your other folders are going to follow for you, okay? So basically, when any image added to the locked folder, the photos are removed from the backup. Thus, the only copy is in the locked folder. So the locked folder is lost when the Google Photos app is reinstalled or the phone is reset, which in other words would be that the locked folder is not really safe, is it? Now, how are you going to actually get your photos back from the locked folder? So what you're going to do from here is you're going to come down into these tabs, because obviously your locked folder, you can find it in the trash. If you have it over there, then, definitely get it out. But if it's not there, then what you can do is you're going to go to the help section. And obviously this is going to be the help section. And in the help section, you are going to go ahead and ask for recovery. So you're going to ask recover permanently deleted photos, because obviously if it's gone from the locked folder, then they're gone pretty much. So it's going to give you a few help widgets, and there's different questions, but what you want to do is you want to go ahead and actually answer or get questions from them directly. So you can ask the help from the community experts, message them at hi, my photos are permanently lost and they're pretty close to me. I would appreciate it if you'd get it back. So yeah, you're just going to access the help center and they should be recovered. So yeah, but one small advice from me, don't keep your photos in the locked folder, because the locked folder is a pretty unsafe space, and I just wouldn't recommend that. So yeah, that's pretty much about it though. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.